Hello everyone, my name is Ada, and today I show you how to install the Terminal free version and also how to activate the Terminal premium functions. And by the way, this video is available in multiple languages, so if you need a different one, you can simply check the video description below. So now let's start! First things first, to install Terminal, you'll need to download the ZSK Terminal setup file. I've put the link in the video description below so you can grab it from there. Now, to download Terminal, we just need a bit of info from you. Simply open the link in the video description, accept all cookies, and fill out the form. Then, click Continue, check the box for Consent Declaration of the Privacy Policy, and don't forget to tick I'm not a robot. Finally, hit Send. After a few minutes, you'll receive an email with a download link for the installation file. Open the link in the email and download Terminal. Oh, and just a heads up, Terminal is only available for Windows 10 64-bit and Windows 11. To install Terminal, just go to your Downloads folder and find the zip file you just downloaded. Now, to extract it, right-click on the file, select Extract All. Then, just click Extract. Next, open ZSK Terminal Setup, select your preferred installer language, and click OK. After that, just follow the setup guide, and Terminal will be installed in no time. All right. So once you've installed ZSK Terminal, go ahead and open it up. You can now use Terminal with the free features. If you want to try out the premium features, you can activate a 30-day trial. Simply click on Options, then activate 30-day trial. Here you can start your 30-day test period, and that's it. Your trial is now active, so you can start using Terminal with all premium function for 30 days right away. After your trial period ends, you can buy the premium Terminal features directly from our shop. And by the way, I've added the link in the video description below so you can check it out. After purchasing premium features, you'll receive an email from us asking for your license hardware key. To generate your license, we'll need your license hardware key. But don't worry, finding it is super easy. Just click on Options, then Install New Modules, and you'll see your license hardware key right there on the screen. Click on Open Mail Application, which will automatically open your email program. In the email, you will find also license hardware key. Now, all you need to do is hit Send, and that's it. Your license request is on its way. If you want to activate your license, first save the license file you received from us via email. Then, open Terminal, then click Options, and then Install New Modules. After that, just click on Install a license file. Find the license file you just saved and open it. And that's it. Your license is now active and you're all set to go. If you have any questions, just reach out. We're always happy to help. Thanks for watching and well, see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.